Hello guys and welcome back. So today we have an independent dual channel. This is a muscle stimulator for pain. This model here includes 20 different modes. Alright, so right here is the Avcoo dual massager. This massager helps with all your lower back extremities pain to relieve the pain. So let's go ahead and dive right into this box. And first off in here, you'll see the machine itself. It's a powerful pain relief tense massager that provides 20 programmed massage modes to help reduce the pain and muscle spasms caused by tension. So like I said before, this is good for your lower back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, arthritis from sports injuries. So this unit is a great little unit to have, especially if you suffer from lower back pain. And the bottom little things down there, that's where you will connect your wires to deliver the massage. So let's jump into the box. So inside the box, first off, you can see it does come with a little carrying bag. So myself, what I do is just carry the little massager gun, 2 sets of little hands, these which deliver the muscle retention. And then you have your charging cables. So these are the leading Electrode Pads, the industry leading replacement pads. You can get those here on Amazon. Those pads are easy to be used up to 100 times. It has a 4-layer design to ensure for stable current and well-formed edges for safe use, so you don't get any electricity leakage or accidental electrocution. These wire here is what makes it the best because this is a dual channel. Basically, you can run 2 programs at the same time for each muscles. Right here is the charging USB cable. And on the back, you can see another wire cable. Those are basically used, so if you want to do 2 different modes on this dual channel, so you can disperse like a leg or maybe an arm at the same time. So right here you have a user manual. This user manual will let you know everything about this little device. It says never to apply these pads to certain areas, which definitely not the heart, the mouth, or any area of the face. That is dangerous. So, and then it goes into more details about do not use this unit during these activities, pain management warnings. So these are your warning signs and places not to put it on. This is specifically for your back, legs, and lower body area. You could get your shoulders, but nowhere near on the face or the neck. So these are your pain management warnings. And then it just tells you how to use it, after use, precautions regarding the pads. And then you got an after use, what to do after you use them. And then these are recommended massage points. So you got your back, your arms, your legs, your knees, your side legs, your feet, your shoulders, your lower back. So this is the Avcoo machine. So we're just going to go ahead and turn this on. So you have your dual set. So you got your A and B. You've got your menu, time, plus and minus. Then you have your little power button here up at the top to turn it on. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. This does come with 3 different sizes of Electro Pads, which you get a 12-piece that are provided inside the box. So you can choose from using different parts of your body, like the lower back, shoulder, neck, ankle, wrist. They have a 2mm connector, is compatible for most muscle stimulators for pain relief on the market, which makes it easy to find the replacement pads. You can find the replacement pads here on Amazon. So now we're just going to go connect the wire to the bottom part. I'm just going to do just the one. So you do have another option if you'd like to run all 4 pads at the same time. So you would just connect it at the bottom. I did use all 4 of the pads. I did 2 for the bottom leg, and then I did 2 for the bottom back portion. So we're just going to dip in here into the menu. So you've got 20 different menu settings. You've got your intensity. So each mode right here, you got A mode and you got B mode. So we're just going to set it up. So the best thing about this is the dual channels. So you can do all 4 pads, where some of them only allows you to do just 1 set. So we're just going to take these right here, these little wires, and we're going to take these little pads These are the Electro Pads. These ones here can be used up to 100 times. The foil layer designs ensures for stable current and well-formed edges. So a lot of the other ones are not as sticky, so you do lose a lot of electricity. So they're not targeting the points of your pain. So you just peel back this plastic right here and you can tell that it is very well sticky. You just put it on your body part. I'm just going to put one right here. And then just take this side. Grab this one off the pad. And then I'm going to put it on my other arm. So just going to set it here just like that. And they stick very well. They're a little hard when they come off because they do pinch your skin a bit, but nothing too much. So now we're just going to connect these. It's just like a button. You just snap them on. That's how easy it is. Being that I have on both arms, I'm going to have to stretch out the wire a bit. So you just snap it on here and it'll work on this arm. And the other one I'll snap here and it'll work on that arm. So you can use two modes, but I'm going to go ahead and take this one off and just use one side. And now I'm going to go ahead and snap these on. Just snap them on there just like a button. Because it's a little bit short, I'm going to have to pull it out a little bit. And just snap them on this side. Now we're just going to go ahead and pick on a mode. A lot of the modes are pretty good. I like the mode and the shiatsu. The shiatsu is kind of like a poke, but not such a bad poke. It feels pretty good, especially on my lower back. So you have different modes right here. This is the shiatsu. Then you've got like the foot kneading. You've got like the side kneading. So here's all these modes right here. You've got two modes per each unit. So you've got a softer and then you've got a harder. So you can see this one here, it's got a softer and then it's got a harder. So we're just going to improve the intensity. We're going to start out slowly and graduate to higher where it's tolerable. This is the first time using a back massager. I would recommend starting off slow first and then work your way up. So once I put the mode on, you can actually see by my finger, it'll automatically move as it's working that muscle. You can see my finger moving down there. And that's only on 2. So it's working my whole arm and my finger, the muscles to my fingers and my thumb. I can feel it all the way up in my hands. So this is, I think, the shiatsu. You can change your time. It goes as low as 10 minutes all the way up to 90 minutes. You've got your menu. See, you got on this side. It's working both sides of the hands. And you can see that it's moving the muscles all the way up to my thumb. How it's moving itself. Now you can turn it down, you can turn it up. So we're just changing it to this mode. We're going to check these other modes. The best thing about this is that it does provide 20 programmed massage modes. So each one of them does have a 2 different types. So you got 1 and 2. This one here got 1. You can see it drop down to 2. That's mode 1, mode 2. And I'm not really sure about these, but they also got 2 modes in each one of these. I think that one right there is like a heartbeat. You can turn it up by pushing the plus button. You can turn it down by the minus button. So it does got a timer on top, and it also has your battery strength. So this one goes all the way up to 60 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Then you just pull out the wire from the bottom. Easy pull out. You've got the B one. So I've tried this on my back. I absolutely love it. It does wonders for my back. So after using this, I'm not so tense or sore. It's a lot more like going to a physical therapist. I definitely say this one is a must-have.